Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice radical problem. Here square root of 2 minus square root of 2 minus x, this is equals to x. Here we need to calculate all possible values of x. Students, if you like my videos then please subscribe my channel. Now let's start solution of this question. Look carefully in left hand side here, square root of 2 minus square root of 2 minus x, and this is equals to x. We know that square root is defined only for positive numbers. So square root of positive number is also positive. If square root of positive number is also positive, it means left hand side is always positive. If left hand side is positive, then right hand side must be positive. Here we can say x is greater than equals to 0. This is our first condition for solving this question. Here value of x is greater than equals to 0. Now if we take square both side, here if we take square and right hand side also take square, then square root is cancelled out by this square. Then in left hand side 2 minus square root of 2 minus x, and this is equals to x square. Now 2 and this x square, if we take left hand side then this is minus x square, and this radical expression if we take right hand side, this is square root of 2 minus x. Now first we will write this expression in next page. In left hand side 2 minus x square, this is equals to square root of 2 minus x, square root of 2 minus x. Now look carefully again, right hand side is right hand side is square root of 2 minus x and left hand side is 2 minus x square, and we know that square root of positive numbers is always positive and square root is defined only for positive numbers. Then here right hand side is positive, so left hand side must be positive. So here we can say 2 minus x square is greater than equals to 0. Now if we add both side x square, then you can say 2 is greater than equals to x square. In other words, you can say x square is less than equals to 2. This is our second condition for solving this algebraic equation. Here x square is less than equals to 2. Now look carefully, if we take square again both side, here if we take square and right hand side also take square, then in left hand side 2 minus x square bracket power 2, and this is equals to square root is cancelled out by this square, then here 2 minus x. We will apply substitution. If we substitute y is equals to 2 minus x square, then this minus x square, if we take left hand side, then this is x square plus y, and this is equals to 2. Let's say this is equation number second. Now 2 minus x square is replaced by y in equation number first, then y square, this is equals to 2 minus x, y square, this is equals to 2 minus x, and this minus x if we take left hand side, then this is y square plus x, and this is equals to 2. Let's say this is equation number third. Now subtract equation number third from second. In here equation number second is x square plus y, this is equals to 2, and equation number third is y square plus x, and this is equals to 2. If we subtract equation number third from second, then here minus minus minus. Now in left hand side x square minus y square plus y minus x, and this is equals to 2 minus 2, this is 0. Now first we will write this expression in next page. In left hand side x square minus y square plus y minus x, and this is equals to 0. Here difference between two squares, x square minus y square. Factor of x square minus y square is x plus y times x minus y. And here, if we take common negative one, then x minus y, and this is equals to 0. Look carefully. Here x minus y and here x minus y. If we take common x minus y in left hand side, then you will get here x plus y minus 1, and this is equals to 0. Here we will apply this rule. If a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies value of a is equals to 0 or value of b is equals to 0. Suppose this expression is a and this expression is b, and if we apply this rule here, then you can say x minus y, this is equals to 0, or x plus y minus 1, this is equals to 0. Here value of x is equals to y, and here x plus y, this is equals to 1. Here we have two cases. This is case first and this is case second. And case first, x is equals to y. X is equals to y. And look carefully here, equation number second. Equation number second is x square plus y is equals to 2. X square plus y is equals to 2. Now x square plus, here x and y both are equal, then this y is replaced by x and this is equals to 2. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, then x square plus x minus 2, this is equals to 0. Look carefully this quadratic equation, this is factorizable. Here we will apply middle term split and then make factor in left hand side. X square, this is plus x, and this plus x is twice of x minus 2, and this is equals to 0. Look carefully first two terms and then last two terms. If we take common x in first two terms, then x square divided by x, then you will get x plus 2x divided by x, then you will get plus 2. And look carefully last two terms. If we take common minus 1, then minus x divided by minus 1, then you will get x, and minus 2 divided by minus 1, then you will get plus 2, and this is equals to 0. Now look carefully left hand side, here x plus 2 and here x plus 2 is common. If we take common x plus 2 in left hand side, then you will get here x minus 1, and this is equals to 0. Here we will apply this rule. If a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies value of a is equals to 0 or value of b is equals to 0. Suppose this expression is a and this expression is b. Then here we will apply this rule, then you can say x plus 2, this is equals to 0, or x minus 1, this is equals to 0. Here value of x is equals to minus 2, and here value of x is equals to 1. In this case we have two possible values of x. First value of x is equals to minus 2 and second value of x is equals to 1. But look carefully here, first condition x is greater than equals to 0, so that's why this value of x is rejected, because this is minus 2, so this value of x is rejected. But look carefully here, x is equals to 1, and our first condition is x is greater than equals to 0. Our first condition is x is greater than equals to 0, and second condition is x square is less than equals to 2. X square is less than equals to 2. Look carefully, first condition is satisfied because x is equals to 1 here. Now value of x square is also 1, and if we substitute x square here, 1 is less than equals to 2, it means here second condition is also satisfied. So x is equals to 1 is a solution of this equation. But we have another case, case second. Case second is x plus y is equals to 1. Here x plus y, this is equals to 1. And look carefully, this equation and this equation. Equation number second and equation number third. Equation number second is x square plus y is equals to 2. X square plus y is equals to 2. And equation number third is y square plus x, this is equals to 2. y square plus x, this is equals to 2. If we add both the equations, then in left hand side, x square plus y square plus y plus x, and this is equals to 4. Then x square plus y square plus x plus y is 1, and this is equals to 4. Then value of x square plus y square, this is equals to 4 minus 1. Here x square plus y square, this is equals to 3. And we know that the algebraic identity of x plus y whole square, and this is equals to x square plus y square plus twice of xy. And here value of x plus y is 1 square, and this is equals to x square plus y square is replaced by 3 plus twice of xy. 1 square is 1, this is equals to 3 plus twice of xy. Now this 3 we take left hand side, then this is 1 minus 3, and this is equals to twice of xy. Then twice of xy, this is equals to 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Now divide both sides 2, then you will get xy, this is equals to minus 1. Look carefully this equation and this equation. Here x plus y is equals to 1, x plus y is equals to 1, and x times y is minus 1. Here x times y is equals to minus 1. Look carefully, here we have two equations and two variables. Here we will find out the value of x easily. X plus y is equals to 1. This implies value of y is equals to 1 minus x. Now x and this y is replaced by 1 minus x. 1 minus x, and this is equals to minus 1. This x is multiplied by 1 minus x, then you will get x minus x square, and this is equals to minus 1. Now if we take all the expressions in same side, then x square minus x minus 1, this is equals to 0. Here we have a quadratic equation in terms of x. This quadratic equation is not factorizable. Here we will apply here we will apply quadratic formula, and value of a is 1 because coefficient of x square is 1 and coefficient of x is minus 1. It means value of b is equals to minus 1, and constant term is c, that is c is equals to minus 1. Now we know that quadratic formula x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac and divided by twice of a. Then x is equals to minus value of b is minus 1 plus minus square root of b. Value of b is minus 1 square minus 4 times value of a is 1 and value of c is minus 1 and divided by twice of a is 1. Then x is equals to minus is multiplied by this minus 1, then you will get plus 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square is 1 minus 4 times minus 1 is plus 4 and divided by twice of 1 is 2. Then x is equals to 1 plus square root of 5 and here minus divided by 2. Here we have two possible values of x. First value of x is equals to 1 plus square root of 5 over 2, and second value of x is equals to 1 minus square root of 5 over 2. And here two conditions. First condition, x is greater than equals to 0. Condition first is x is greater than equals to 0, and second condition x square is less than equals to 2. Look carefully this number. Here square root of 5 is greater than 1. It means 1 minus square root of 5 is less than 0. It means 1 minus square root of 5 is negative number. So this value of x is rejected because our first condition x must be positive. This value of x must be equals to 1.615, and if we take a square both sides, then value of x square is must be equals to 2.6082. But here x square is less than 2. But look carefully this number, this is greater than 2. It means second condition is not satisfied. So this value of x is also rejected. Here we have only one solution, x is equals to 1. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.